Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to upload a picture in Snapchat from your camera roll of your device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. And after that, you can see the two picture icon over here just beside the record button over here. Just tap there, and after that you can see we are currently on the snaps. Snaps is underlined in the dark because we are on it. So if you want to go to camera roll, you can see the camera roll option over here. Just tap there and it will take you to your camera roll where you can see all your pictures over here. And there guys, this is how you upload a photo from a camera. Let's just upload a photo, and I want to go with this. And you can see to select a photo, you can see the tick mark over here on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can select whichever photo you like. For me it's gonna be this, and you can see all these options up here. And let's upload it. And there guys, you can send to anybody you like, or you can just upload it as a story. And okay, let's add to our story. Okay, and there guys, this is how you upload a photo from your gallery to Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.